when you die and you're dead and your body parts come off. Patrick, is it you?
Yeah, it's me. SpongeBob, what happened?
A second wave came.
SpongeBob, I want ice cream.